Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita, teacher. Students, open your EVS 1 textbook, page number 87, lesson number 17. Clothes are necessity. Try this. Talk to the elderly people in your family or locality to obtain this information. You can talk with the senior member of your family. What clothes did they wear during their childhood? Make a list of the clothes they name. You can ask your grandparents when he was a child, that time what he was using, which type of clothes he was using. You can ask your grandpa. Second, take a list of clothes, garments, shop, and see which of the clothes in your list are available there. Now find, is it available in the shop? Third one, find out which of the clothes are not worn anymore. Which clothes are not worn nowadays? Mostly now dhoti we say, no one is using nowadays dhoti. That is dhota, which grandpa was using before when they were elder person, or in childhood they were using pajama or something. Nowadays no one is using. So these are outdated fashion, or we can say no one is using nowadays. Fourth one, find out the place where these clothes used to come from where it comes. Beyond the sea students, nowadays it is so easy to get the clothes of each type because of the modern methods of transport. It is available. Before many years it was not possible to get easily all the things because of very less transport facilities, but nowadays everywhere we can get the new types of clothes. In villages also we can get the fashionable clothes. So this question is not that much important. Fifth one, find out why these clothes went out of use. Why these clothes went out of use? Because of the lifestyle. Now this lifestyle is so rushy, and we can say very fast lifestyle is there nowadays. So we don't have that much, our parent, your papa is not having that much time to wear the dhotar, right? And it is not comfortable to him also to go in office by using dhotar. That is why this is out of the use. Find out if there have been changes in clothing due to the tradition and in course of time. Yes, there is the changes in the clothing according to the traditions and course of time. Do you know? During the evolution of man, his body went through many changes. One of the changes was a reduction in the amount of body hair. See, when have you seen the picture of evolution of man? When Stone Age man was there, he had more hairs on his body. But nowadays there is a reduction in the amount of body hair. As a result, he began to need protection from the elements in certain weather conditions. Thus arose the need for clothes. So hairs become less. So human beings need to protect their body. So they have started using clothes to protect their body. We can see a variety in the clothes used through the aged in prehistoric times. Man did not wear clothes. In ancient time, that means in Stone Age man time, human beings were not using clothes. Later he began using the bark and leaves of trees. Later he started using the leaves of trees. After that he began to hunt and use the skin of animals he had killed. Later dead animal skin he has started used as a clothes. After he learnt to make yarn from material like cotton wool, he began to use cotton clothes in a variety of ways. You will see this progression in the pictures given below. In this picture you can understand that how man change his clothing. Always remember, nature has given us enough to fulfill everyone's need. However, nature cannot quench man's greed. Man must give priority to his needs and not desires. Man has to give priority to his needs, not desires. Only then will nature be able to take the care of us all. Then only nature is able to take the care of all of us. Do you know Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills? The humid weather on the island facilitates the manufacture of long thread for making clothes. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. The flourishing cloth industry attracted workers from all over the country who came and settled here. From then on, Mumbai became an important hub for financial activity in India. So, Mumbai became the important financial city because it is famous worldwide for its textile mills. Many workers, many people migrate to Mumbai, settle there to get the job. Use your brain power. The clothes worn in different regions of the country are different depending on the local climate. Collect pictures of traditional clothes worn in Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Kerala. Discuss the climate of those areas based on the pictures. See students, clothing, there is variety in the clothing according to the different regions because of the different climate. So you have to find what is the clothing of in Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Kerala, and discuss on it. On WhatsApp you can call the people, your friends, and discuss it. What you have learned, what we have learned. First one, wanting things you do not need is desire, not necessity. Wanting things is not necessity, it is desire. We must use things only as we need them. Several regions in our country have a tradition of producing fabrics characteristics of the place. We learnt about the diversity in the clothing in our country with the help of maps. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.